Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kumusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang mga messages ni Cancer. We have number 58, Stag Spirit, take the lead. Ayan. So, Cancer, take the lead. Maaring maaring kayo yung go-to person, sa grupo ninyo. Maaring sa pamilya yan. Maaring din naman sa magkakaibigan or maybe sa trabaho, So, maaring ikaw yung go-to person. Maaring ikaw yung source of strength ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Maaring ganon, and you are going to take charge, You're going to take charge kasi maaring may sitwasyon dito na kailangan pagdesisyonan, and maaring the people around you are relying on you, maaring ganon ang ganap. It could also be that maybe you are on a kung sa trabaho, nasa managerial position siguro kayo, you're a leader, You're a leader of a department, maaaring ganon, Supervisor, maaaring ikaw ay manager, Sa trabaho, maaaring ganon din ang ganap. And ang naririnig ko din dito, you were born to be a leader, Cancer. You were born to be a leader. So, you are meant to be a leader talaga, to be a beacon for others, to be an inspiration to others, to help people, yung mga ganon. So, parang malaki ang mission ninyo dito sa mundo, Cancer. Parang ikaw yung magsisilbing ilaw, liwanag din ng mga taong naghahanap din ng liwanag, ng sarili nilang liwanag. So, yun. So, dear spirit, sabi naman dito sa inyo, bring a gentle touch, So, this could apply dito sa role ninyo, being a leader, use or bring a gentle touch on that role, 'di ba? Yung parang stricto pero yung hindi naman masyadong kahigpitan, 'di ba? May time na maghihigpit, may time na ka din, mag-hold back ka din ng konti. Yung sakto lang ba, Yung sakto lang, na hindi naman to the extent na matatakot na din sa inyo yung mga kasama ninyo, yung mga ganon. So, we have number 3, Armadillo Spirit, set healthy boundaries. Ayan, so napakahalaga nito, Setting healthy boundaries really helps any kind of relationship. Kahit anong klase, relationship with a person ninyo, yung love and romantic relationship, a relationship with your friends, a relationship with your coworkers, relationship with family members, kung meron kayong healthy boundaries, ay talagang makaka-expect kayo na mas matibay ang inyong relasyon, mas nagkakaintindihan kayo, mas may respeto kayo sa bawat isa, and of course yung pagmamahal laging nandyan, kaya ngayon maaari ang iba kasi sa inyo na aabuso na din, you are also allowing yourself, 'di ba, na ma-abuse din kayo ng ibang tao kasi sobrang bait ninyo, 'di ba, sobrang bait ninyo, sobrang generous kayo, sobrang compassionate ninyo, kaya maaring bow lang kayo ng bow, maybe you're also a people pleaser, so you're trying to do things that ma-please ninyo yung ibang tao. So, sobra siguro talaga overflowing ang kabaitan ninyo sa inyong katawan talaga, Cancer. Kaya naman siguro naaabuso na kayo. So, now, you're being invited here, to set healthy boundaries, nang sa gayon maging maayos ang inyong relationships. So, we have abundance. Holy moly. Napakaganda nito. Abundance is coming your way. Cancer, maaring financial abundance, This could be financial abundance na parating sa inyo. And maybe, ito yung mas madami kasi na siguro ngayon yung sasahurin ninyo because you are a leader na, 'di ba? Maaring ma-promote kayo sa leadership role, kaya of course mas maraming perang papasok sa bulsa ninyo, 'di ba, Cancer? Kaya that could be the bunny path ngayon na alam mo 'yun, mas madami kang talagang marireceive na financial gain, So, good luck to that. We have flow. Just be in the flow of life, Cancer. Yun ang napipick up ko dito. Kasi, Yan talaga, no? When we surrender, no? When we surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life, when we surrender to God, mas maganda ang sitwasyon, di ba? Mas magaan, mas ano lang, smooth sailing lang. Kasi when we allow God to unfold, no, things accordingly, di ba? According to His divine timing, according to His will, talagang mapapansin din ninyo na magaan lang din, no? Magaan lang din yung buhay natin. Even if may mga problema tayo, 'di ba? Kusang dumadating ang solusyon. May mga nakakausap tayo na yun na nakakapagbigay sa atin ng tulong, ng tips, ng referral, ng kung ano man ang kailangan natin, ano. So, ano yun? Yung pagtulong, 'di ba? Yung pagsuporta sa atin ng Panginoon is through channel. That is through other people. Kaya may mga ganon. Kaya ito din, reminder sa inyo na be in the flow of life, no? Be with the flow of life. Sumunod na lang tayo sa agos ng buhay, kung saan tayo dalhin nito, no? Kaya napakahalaga na lagi nating susundin kung ano ang bulong sa atin ng ating intuition, because yan ang gabay sa atin. That is divine guidance, no? Of where we need to go, of what we need to do, diba? So, instead na mag-resist tayo sa mga changes or kontrolin natin yung mga outcome na gusto natin sa mga ginagawa natin. Instead of doing that, let's just allow the destiny, no, to unfold organically, no? At nang sa gayon, mapapansin niyo na mas maayos ang lahat, mas magaan, 'di ba? So what else? We have meditation. Ayan, some of you may need to do some kind of meditation at this time, Cancer. Maybe talaga, no, around this time, siguro nagdadasal talaga kayo for guidance, maring ganun, for clarity, something like that, no? And makukuha nyo lang yan through meditation. Maaari din na may mga katanungan kayo na hindi ninyo mahanapan ng sagot, and you will also get that through meditation, because meditation bring answers, 'di ba, Cancer? Kaya maaring doon ninyo yan makukuha. Kung ano ang gusto ninyong malaman, kung ano yung gusto ninyong gabay, no? Maaring pag nag-meditate kayo, doon yan papasok, no? So, healing. Ayan. So, maybe some of you are healers, Cancer. Maybe you are a healer. Maaring alam mo na ikaw ay may gift, no, of healing. For others of you, maaari din naman na may physical ailments kayo at this time. And maybe you are seeking for healing, or maybe you are going to receive that healing energy, no? Maaring ganun din ang ganap dito for you. So, next is find balance. Ayan. So, kaya siguro kayo, Cancer, dito you're seeking for healing, or maybe may sakit kayo, or may mga nararamdaman kayong hindi komportable sa pangangatawan ninyo. It's because you are not in the center. No? There is no balance. Maaring you are super busy and you are so focused on few things, and yung sarili ninyo, yung kalusugan ninyo, yung pangangalaga ninyo sa inyong sarili, maaari ay naisasantabi. Maaring hindi ninyo nabibigyan ng oras, no, ang pagsa-self-care dito, Cancer. Maaring overwork kayo, no? Maaring ang dami-dami ninyong inaasikaso, no? Maaring ganon. Kaya medyo nakukulangan kayo ng oras para naman sa sarili ninyo. So, this is an invitation for you, no? To find balance, bring the balance back in your life, nang sa gayon, you will be on top of your health. And isa pa, if you are on top of your health, you will be definitely on top of your game. Kahit gaano kadami ang mga bagay na gagawin ninyo, naka-line up, no? It doesn't matter. When you are on top of your health, magagawa ninyong lahat yan, no? Magagawa ninyong lahat yan. Kaya, napakahalaga na unahin nyo muna yung inyong sarili. Unahin nyo muna yung pagpapahealthy sa inyong katawan, ang pagpapaganda ng inyong pakiramdam, nang sa gayon, even if you have too much on your plate, you will find time for everything. Matatapos at matatapos nyo yan. Okay? So, what else? We have protection. Yan. So, maybe talaga iba sa inyo are healers, spiritual workers, mga ganon. So, this is a reminder for you na before you embark on any spiritual work, make sure that you put your protective shield muna, no, sa inyong energy field nang sa gayon before you embark on that spiritual work, whatever that is, you are already protected. Okay, so that's all I have for you for the month Cancer. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.